Well, hey, what are you guys doing back here? Welcome to Indy Hammered Knives. We are behind the shop in the actual backwoods, and we're right next to Wildcat Run. It goes right through the property. I'm just sitting back here kind of reflecting a little bit, taking a break from the grind. But while you're here, I kind of wanted to show you something. This is the future site of the Knife Academy, which is our knife making class campground. So next year, when folks come from out of state, they'll have actually someplace to stay instead of going down the road and staying in a hotel. They can actually stay here right on site. So I plan on having that area cleared back there, and we're gonna have a couple authentic Indian teepees and some Civil War tents. So the experience is gonna be even more than what it has been this year. But for any of you that cannot make the class, and you are truly too far away to make that kind of journey, I did want to kind of showcase and show you a little bit about this knife making kit. I've been making this kit since 2014, and this is the most complete kit on the market, and this is truly the only one that's hand forged. So let me take you inside this kit and show you a little bit about what I'm talking about. You get this very nice gift box, which makes the most perfect Christmas gift. And as you open that up, the presentation is very nice. This is how it arrives. You've got a choice between two different blades. You can go with my 300 layer forged welded Damascus blade, or the traditional 1095 high carbon steel hand forged and hammered blade. And like I said, this is the only kit that has a blade that's made in America, made by somebody that works with their hands every day, and is hand forged. The other kits that you would see on the market might be made from China. They might include all kinds of different things that you don't need. But this one truly and simply is everything that you need to make the knife exactly the way that I make my knives. This would be a truly timeless gift for this Christmas. So if you do have any questions beyond this video or beyond my listing, you can call me and I'll walk you right through it. And the other thing is, with any other kit that you buy, there's no maker behind it except for me. So if you do come into a problem while you're making this knife, you just give me a call and I'll go through all the steps with you, and we can make that knife together over the phone if you like. So that's just something a little bit different. It is something nice I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the class and the upcoming campground. And I appreciate you guys coming out here today in this cold fall morning in Indiana, and our beautiful country that we are so generous and gracious to have God bless. So God bless you all, and thanks for joining me.